been a while, I know. So I received a few PR packages recently. Tak banyak pun. So I thought I would do an unboxing video since I haven't done one in a really long time. So I have one package from Korea, one from Singapore, and also one from Malaysia. So the first package is from Me, which is a Korean skincare brand. You might have heard of them. This is my second PR from them. I did a video before of their Miracle skincare line. So I actually got this a few months back. I'm sorry, Me. I just haven't had the time. So yeah, I'm opening it now. So this is what they sent me. Like, ooh, shiny. So this is their not really their newest product, since I said I got it a few months back, but one of their newest products, which is the Snail Repair Serum. It's a black snail Truecica complex who will revitalize your skin. Should I open it? Just sayang nak buka because you have to break the seal if you open it. So let's just try. Okay, so this is the bottle. It's a very nice red liquid. It's so pretty. I will probably do a video where I test this for a few weeks, because I think that, I mean, you can't really do a first impressions of skincare. You have to actually test it for some time before you can actually have an opinion for it. Have a, what's the word I'm looking for? Have an informed opinion of it. So I will hopefully, when I have time, do a video where I test this, maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks later, if you are interested. So this is the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum from Me. Thank you, Me, and I'm sorry that I took so long to open it. Okay, so next is a PR package that I got from Singapore. This is from a company called Nailsicle. So instead of applying nail polish the normal way, where you have to, you know, brush it on, wait for it to dry, apply top coat, blah blah blah. It's like you sort of just stick these to your fingers and you're done, right? So that's really cool. They're sort of like stickers, but they are actually real nail polish, so you still have to remove them with nail polish remover. They are designed in Singapore and printed in Korea. So thank you, Nailsicle, for this, and yeah, interesting. So last and definitely not least is a local homegrown brand that I'm sure all of you have heard of, which is Breena Beauty. Yes, I'm so excited for this. So they are a local beauty brand that I have admired for a really long time. Their branding is A+, and their products are amazing. And when they approached me to send PR, I was like, yes, finally. So yeah, I was really excited to get their Purrfect Eyes, love it. Their Purrfect Eyes volumizing mascara and precision eyeliner. So it looks like this. It's so pretty, because you know how much I love pink. So this is their new mascara and also their new eyeliner. So it says flaunt your perfect cat eye look and tag us. So yeah, I will definitely do that. I will try these out and then do either a video or a post. So watch out for that. Breena Beauty has been around for a while. I think they are one of the pioneer local beauty brands. So they used to be fully online, but now they are available at MyTown, Playhouse Advance, Watsons, and also Hermosa Laura Shopee. So that's really cool. So yeah, I'm really proud of them that they've come this far. So congratulations, Breena Beauty, and thank you so much for the PR package. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, tak banyak pun. So thank you so much for watching if you watched this far, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!